What is up, motherfuckers of YouTube? How's it going? I'm about to go to the gym. Good morning. It'll be afternoon when I post this, though. I gotta work out and put the video together. But the title says how to lower your car. I don't know how I should word it. Maybe I should have worded it how to lower your car with one simple trick. But maybe that's what the title is. I don't know, because I haven't even made it yet. But if you're watching the video, I'm going to show you how to do this. As soon as I get back from the gym, I'm going to do all this for you. I won't be at the gym long. But yeah, it's going to be a dope ass video. I'd also like to thank anybody that subscribed to us and follows this channel right here. I really appreciate it. I mean, we're just working, trying to make whatever we can to post. I know the videos are random and pretty stupid, but if you watch them, I guess you like them. I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna go hit the gym, and yeah, I'll be back with y'all in a few. Alright, I'm on my way back from the gym, and I'm about to show you. It's an easy step to lower your car, real easy. You do it at home, it's one simple trick. And a truck ride my ass, piss off, dude. But yeah, be home in a few, and I'll hook y'all up with this trick. Alright, what's up? Here we go. Here's one like the, I guess you'd say, cheapest ways to lower your car. You buy coilovers, alright? Right here, ISRs. These are, I guess, good for like daily static use. I mean, you can tell they've been used. Look at, you can see the tires been hitting them. You can get a good low with this, but if you want dirt nasty low and like stay that low, you want to get stiffer springs and shit. You order custom ones. Like what Rojas is about to order. I ain't gonna say. Okay, I'm gonna say PBMs. They're gonna be nasty. Can't wait to do. We're gonna do an opening video on those. That'll be sick. But I'm about to go outside and show you the real way, the cheap way of lowering your car, man. It's the simplest fucking trick. Let's go do it. All right, we're outside and I'll show you this one simple trick. I showed you what you need for, I don't know, good lowering, but I'm going to show you this simple trick to lower this car. Alright, this is like your average height for, I guess, a Genesis coupe. You got a little wheel gap, you see? Okay. After you install your coilovers or whatever, it'll be, you can make it dirt nasty low or whatever the fuck you want. Most people just keep it like normal height. But, you want to see a quick way of lowering your car? I'll show you right here. You just stare at it, give it a death stare and use the force, and it'll just lower it. Watch. Eventually. It just does it by itself, man. It's fucking magic. And that is how you lower your car. Now you don't look stupid, man. You like lip the ground, you got good fitment. Told y'all I had an easy way of lowering cars, man. Well, I hope y'all liked my tip and trick on how to lower your car. One simple way. Coilovers work real good. I'm just saying. I made the video just to see what would, if anybody will comment on it or like it. Damn, it's bad lighting. But yeah. Let me know what you think down below. Alright, right down here in the comments. Let me know. Kinda just did it for shits and giggles, because I thought it was funny. But, I used to be static, but if you do go bags, you get a lot more, like, you can work around things instead of having to hit a driveway sideways or go over a speed bump slow. You can just hit it normal if you air the fuck up. And, yeah. Thanks for watching, and hope somebody got a laugh out of this video, because I did, because it just popped in my head last night. It'd be the funniest shit ever to do. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. Take it easy.